If you want her to constantly think about you, you're probably doing one thing wrong right now. You're trying too hard, texting too much, always being available. And instead of building attraction, you're pushing her away. Here's the truth most men don't understand. Women don't get attached to what's easy. They get attached to what they invest in. So the first move is simple. Stop doing everything for her. Let her contribute. Let her choose sometimes. Let her put effort in. When she invests her time and energy, her mind gets involved. And once emotions are involved, she starts thinking about you without trying. Second rule, don't always be available. If you reply instantly every time, you remove the mystery. Attraction needs space. Space creates curiosity. When there's curiosity, she wonders about you. When she wonders, she misses you. Live your life. Focus on your goals. Let her feel that you're busy becoming better, not chasing. Third rule, leave an emotional impression. Looks fade. Words fade. But feelings stay. Listen when she talks. Remember what matters to her. Make her feel understood and valued. That's what separates you from every other guy. Fourth rule, surprise her without being predictable. Don't send the same messages every day. Don't move on autopilot. A thoughtful voice note. A message at the right moment. A simple, unexpected plan. Small surprises create big emotional impact. Final rule. Stay a little mysterious. Don't tell her everything at once. Let her discover you over time. Curiosity keeps you in her mind when you're not around. Do these things right and she won't just think about you. She'll feel drawn to you.